Hello all, welcome to the stream. Um, Today I will be continuing my Rabi-Ribi playthrough because we are on a hunt for the rest of the memory values we need for what we were starting yesterday with the Rabi-Ribi module. So I will be doing that today. First let me open up all the things I need. So we're working on this file right here. What do I want? I want open up Eclipse and my current version of the SIG IRC program. Because I can. Alright. So I'm literally starting from where I left off last night. Which should be right here. So the stuff you see there, the sunny beam and the rainbow eggs, so that's I put my program into overlay mode and just placed it right there. Do a quick volume check. Looks good. Alright. Anyways. So those are just there. Those just happened to be the last values I was going through. So you can see they are accurate based on where I last left off. So today I'll be continuing. The goal is to collect every key item. I want to find the memory address for every key item in the game. So I'm doing a hard playthrough. I actually started it on normal because I was just messing around. Like, okay, I was trying to figure out how to get memory values, and then ended up turning out that I probably had to go through the whole game. I didn't want to start a new file at that point because I already had gone quite a few items, and starting over would just be tedious at that point. So I decided instead to just advance this to hard, which is the highest difficulty I could go. Keep buggy. Oh. Really? I'll be right back. Need to take care of something real quick. Alright, I guess I'm back now. Sorry for the wait, took a little while. Don't think I missed anything, good. Alright, so we'll continue now. Hey, thanks, Tremid. You gonna play Rabi-Ribi soon? How soon is soon? Cause I was kinda hoping I could get stuff done. So I'd prefer to watch you play Rabi-Ribi. Ah, come on. Wait until I'm free? Alright. Well, here's the deal. Wait, did you just come in? Or did you hear what I was doing earlier? I'm not sure if you're aware of what I'm doing. But, Nah, I'll talk about it because I don't have anything else to do right now. So actually, you're gonna see what I'm doing right here. So I'm gonna be working on a Rabi-Ribi module for Sig IRC next. So I'm probably gonna do a couple of cool things with it. The point of the Rabi-Ribi module is to interact with the game itself, as in show or display data. You can actually see I have the current the development version of my program running, and I put it in overlay mode. And I have these values shown here. This actually is the live count of how many rainbow eggs I have in the game. If we were to go here and look in the lower right, I do have 14 rainbow eggs. I found the memory value for that earlier. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Cheat Engine. Probably heard of it before, maybe dabbled with it. Cheat Engine allows you to scan for memory values and thus get information about another program. Items in Rabi-Ribi are stored throughout an array between these hexadecimal memory values. Memory values are generally represented with hexadecimal for easier representation because there's so many of them. And we are going to be looking for the nature orb, which I'm about to pick up. Because so far I found all these memory values for all these different items. So I'm going around collecting all the items to figure out what they are. To figure it out, I have to do a scan. The items in the game are stored with a value of 0 when they have not been collected, and then a value of 1 after they are collected. So after I press this, one of these values changed to 1, so I'll scan for a 1. Oddly enough, nothing changed. So that tells me either the nature orb is not in this range, or I messed it up. I want to say I messed it up, but I was talking during it, so I wasn't sure if I exactly messed it up or not. So we'll try it again and see if I can get it. But that's what I've been going around doing. So I have to basically play through the game and collect all the key items in order to learn what all the memory addresses for the items are. I tried to look for people that may have done this before, and there are a couple of memory values that people have found, but because Rabi-Ribi is not a large game by any means, not a lot of people actually have found the specific values I'm looking for. So I'm now spending time to document them myself. From the programming side, I had to do a lot of work on getting the base addresses of this program. And then, because all these memory addresses are relative most of the time, so if I do a scan right now, green addresses in Cheat Engine represent relative values. So if I were to actually look at this, this is the address corresponding to my computer. But this address can change anytime. Like when a value gets put into memory, it goes in any available spot. This right here, if you notice, the address is actually wherever Rabi-Ribi is located, plus an additional this value. And this value will always remain the same no matter what, because it's a relative value, a relative pointer to that value. So once you figure out the base address, and you figure out the offset of a value relative to the address, you can use that value to retrieve data from a program over and over. That's kind of the idea behind retrieving memory and utilizing it. That's how programs get memory about, or data about other programs, by searching through memory like that. And then referencing relative memory addresses. So even though the next time I run Rabi-Ribi, it might be in a different location on my computer, the computer knows where Rabi-Ribi is located in memory, and so all subsequent addresses are relative to that base address. At least for the data values that are relative. There are data values that aren't relative, and there was an instance I found where that does occur. I just messed this up. I mean, like I said, the memory, well, yeah. For one, I know where the items are mostly located. So before I started this, I spent some time looking at all the memory pointers for items beforehand, and I thought, okay, so most of them are in this range. That's why I'm always searching for these 16,000 semi-odd values. So I'm gonna do this. Make sure we have zeros here, and then look for ones after we do this. So once again, we found nothing. So that's telling me the nature orb is located somewhere else. Which is interesting, because we found water orb earlier at this address. To not find the nature orb here is pretty wait a second. Wait just a moment. I just realized I need to reset the relative values. This no longer applies. Oh boy. Okay. So this is the relative value of the hammer. Yeah, I just realized I'm in the wrong place in memory. So let me do this real quick. That's that address. So in terms of relative values, I want to say we want to look for items anywhere between... Yeah, I just realized I'm not using relative values, so I just screwed myself over here. So we're gonna do some math. I guess I'll look for all values between D60,000 and it's really actually just this subset right here. Between D63,000, D64,000. That's really the subset, the extent of these items. So we just need the memory address of Rabi-Ribi. Now I already output it inside of SIG IRC. So if I just scroll up here, I can cheat. Rabi-Ribi is located at position 140,000. So we just add 140,000 to this value. And we get that, which makes sense because hammer is located at address E832 Bravo 0. And here we got Echo Alpha 3000, so we'll be searching between address Echo Alpha 3000 and Echo Bravo 3000. Alright, now we need to do this again. Now that I realized because yesterday I was doing this and those were the memory addresses I was using. And like I said, every time you rerun the program, the base address is going to change, which means all relative addresses change location as well. So that was actually a perfect example. I'm kind of glad that happened because that just kind of showcased what I meant from earlier with relative addresses. I did it again! Oh my... Thought it was good. That's why you don't mess with that attack, because then everything else just ends up being stupid. Just, like, completely throws off the rest of my stuff. Because you add in all the extra bullets you don't want. Really? It's probably the worst one to get. Oh god, why? That was lame. No, why? Oh my goodness. I'm just butchering that attack. It's a lower difficulty. It goes slower. Throws me off completely because it's so much slower. It's honestly the difficulty. Alright, now we can actually do this right, because I'm actually in the looking at the correct memory range today. Memory range of the day, you know? There we go. So there's our nature orb. That's the offset value we want. It's the wrong way. I think I'm gonna go... What do you think, Trimade? Should I just finish the game? Or would you rather start earlier? I don't want you to wait too long. That wouldn't be fair for you either. I can finish... I'm gonna be finished with this in like probably an hour. If that, you know, because there's not much left. I've got a couple more locations I have to visit, and that's pretty much it. And then, you know, it's basically I only have to go until, what is it called? Until Rumi, because once I get the... No, I don't even have to go to Rumi. Last key item is in System 2. Oh, that is after Rumi. So yeah, after Rumi I'm basically done, because the only key item I still need is Cyber Flower. And then I have every key item. Can you not quick load or quick save? Well, you can't quick save in this game. I could have walked out of that room and walked back in, you're right. I could have just done that. I mean, it's not a problem for me, because I like fighting the bosses, but I understand that it takes more time. Oh, I still have to do this too. Okay. Well, the only item I have to get from here is Whirl. Or Wave. I don't even have to fight. Fighting would be faster, though. Than going all the way around. Used to freaking bunny heaven now. Trying to go at light speed. Dang, I didn't want to get the numbness. Goodness. Alright, if you say so. So I just grabbed a rainbow egg, and the number jumped up to 15. So you can see my program's actively scanning the memory of Rabi-Ribi and updating the value. Since that number is how many rainbow eggs we got, it just went up by 1. Alright, so there's Hammer Wave. So... same deal as before, look for zeros. And look for ones. The value changes to 1 after we leave that you collected the item screen, so that's why I scan right before I get it. That way no other extraneous values make it in there most of the time. Alright, that's all we need from here. There's no other important key item to get. So next we need Fire Orb. Bum. Oh, you jerk! Why was that so delayed? I swear, I'm just used to, like, fast difficulties, where everything just comes out. See, that time it was instantaneous. What made her delay it last time? I don't get it. Good God. Got the cutscene, which means nothing spawns here, which is awesome. Oh, we have to get the Fire Orb. Don't actually care for the Fire Orb, so I'm just gonna move on back. Honestly, I don't really need anything. I'm just trying to find out what the memory addresses are. So, what do we want to do now? Let's... wait. Need to go over here. No! Why? Oh my, that's bad. So we need to check out Fire Orb. Oh, here's Wall Jump. Never did this one. Wall Jump. Cool. So now we want to go over here because we have to get the, what do you call it, the charge ring. Yeah, at this point it's just a couple of the items that are much further out. That's why I saved them for last, because they require a lot more running around just to find. The charge ring. No, 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 don't do this to me. So there's our charge ring value. Now I need to go for the P hairpin. The P hairpin. Which is an item only obtainable after defeating Kiki Bunny. Fun. Actually, we can go this way. We have to get the light orb too, which is pretty close by, but we'll get it afterward. I'll get on the way back. Don't need this. Yes, we come back here after for the P hairpin. You know what's funny though, Charmid? I'm gonna have to get these values for the new version of the game too. I don't know if you noticed, but I play on version 1.75 for a couple of reasons. But eventually, when I play the DLC, I will need to upgrade. So whenever there's a new build of a game, all the memory addresses are not guaranteed to be in the same place because... are you kidding me? Is this the one time where Ribbon will not shoot? Are you serious? Come on, Ribbon. Don't do this to me. Gosh. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do this again for the new version of the game as well. I don't have the survival badge, which is a little worrisome. So, can't just run around carelessly, because I'll die. Oh, didn't press right long enough. of sucks. I have to start all the way back here. At least I have an extra hit now. No! Oh my goodness, I keep messing up. What? You can't double jump off a spring? That is so dumb. I actually knew that because I've tried to do that in System 2 before. It doesn't work. You cannot double jump off a spring. You can try, but it's not going to work. I should grab the survival badge while I was at it. While I was by the graveyard. That would have been super duper helpful. Ooh, that was too close. Oh, that could have ended badly. Alright, not gonna screw that up this time. What? How do you reach that far? Jerk. Alright, I'm just gonna heal here, because doing this place with no HP is cancer. Oh, okay. That's not gonna work. No! Why do I have no SP? What the? Alright. No! Oh my goodness. Now I just gotta wait. And that was such a screw up. I think this is the longest I've ever had to do these cats. Like, the longest sequence I've ever had of these cats. I've never seen these patterns, because usually they're dead before these patterns appear. Oh, game! Why you do this? What? Oh my gosh. A dang input error. caused me to miss the easy way out. I can see the light, but we can't go to it yet, unfortunately. Wow, I ran out of SP. What? Gosh dang it. What is Sig doing? Oh my goodness. Super meaty bone attack. Alright, this is fine, actually. This is like the ideal attack. What? Oh, I ran into the snake. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That wasn't smart. Definitely not smart. I also don't have pure love, so this sucks. What? Oh my goodness. Oh. All I had to do was avoid that. That would have been easy, because those heal you. That was so stupid on my part. I did, like, the dumbest thing possible, not move out of the way. If I dodged those, they would have been easy kills. Free health. Would have saved my life. Oh, not this again. Oh, what? I don't remember it being that way. I thought it was the opposite, that's why I did a big jump early. I remember it being the opposite way. Whatever. Suit yourself, game. No! Oh my, I thought I had another amulet. I forgot I wasted one. Wasted it. Literally not keeping track of my amulets. That was stupid. Also stupid. Is this still salvageable? This is still salvageable. I'm just doing really stupid things. Or she walks into me. Oh god. If we get a little bit of health, we can survive another attack. And then just waste it. Nice. I like your thinking, Sig. Same. Why am I in spikes? Holy cow, I am like tilted. Literally was about to win, and I spoiled it. And now I am tilted. Just the smallest mechanical error. Okay, this is a dumb attack. Oh my goodness. Literally tilted. Oh, I ran into the snake again. I always jump. What? Ugh, that's a bad habit. I need to kill. I literally did the same thing as last time. What? I think this one's worse. I like the other one better. That attack is way worse. Alright, this is really good. I'm in a good position this time. Except I ran into Kiki Bunny. Hello? I didn't jump this time. I almost got smacked by a bullet though. Gosh. Forgot, she always is on top of you. Finally got it right. Took like 5 tries. That was so much more painful than it had to be. Just because of like simple mistakes. The first one was like really bad. I should not have lost the first time I did that. Then I like failed like 3 or 4 in a row from the stupidest things. Alright. So now we can get the P hairpin. I think she says something before she gives it. Oh, here it is. So 0 to 1. Alright, 2 values changed. One of these is probably just a flag. But that's fine, I'll figure it out. The easiest way to figure it out is to just load up another save file. Look at what these values are on that save file, and then we can make an educated guess from there. So I'm gonna save. Load from 100% file. Take a look at what these values are there. So 1 becomes 3, the other stays at 1. So the P hairpin is upgradable, so the first value is the P hairpin. P hairpin. The other one is probably a flag, because it stayed at 1. So it must be a flag or trigger for Mr. Takeo. Yes. So that's her trigger, her flag. So I'm gonna add that down here. Mr. Takeo's dialogue trigger. I don't know what else to really call it. Cool. Alright, so load up back the other game. Trying to think what else. So we need to look at Light Orb. And Light Orb. We already looked at Fire Orb. So that leaves the Chaos Rod, the Carrot Shooter. I already did Charge Ring. We have to look at Golden Carrot, Cocoa Bomb. Oh, that's why I have to fight Cocoa. For the Cocoa Bomb. Well, I can just look at another file for that. Because I can buy Cocoa Bombs and compare it. So we need whatever the red rod is, Charge Beam or something. Charge Rod. I called it Chaos Rod earlier, it's not called Chaos Rod. And we need the Cyber Flower. So that just means completing the game. At that point. Oops. So Light Orb is right back this way. Hopefully I can remember how to navigate out of here. I remember it being a little tricky because I forgot exactly where the... Alright. It's right over... Ah, crud. Yeah, it's a little tricky. It's gonna be... Oh wait, I remember this platform. There's this platform up down to here. And we need to do a jump. There we go. So Light Orb is right here. There's Light Orb. So all that's left is, yeah, Red Beam, Carrot Shooter, Cyber Flower. Red Beam, Carrot Shooter, Cyber Flower. Actually, for Red Beam, we have to go this way. Or we can just do this. There is another way to get to Red Beam. If I recall correctly, you like jump off a cliff somewhere. Because this connects to Riverbank. I think you just jump off the cliff to Spike Barrier. Well, I'm gonna try it today. Because I'm not certain myself. I know there's a way to do it though. And if you do it right, you end up just in that room and you don't even have to fight Ashuri. Jump off here. I'm pretty sure if you just keep going, end up... Boom! Got it! completely missed the Oshery trigger. Alright. Here we go. There's our, what is it called? Fire? Explode shot. That's what it's called. This is our explode shot. Excuse me. Alright. So all that leaves now is... I don't know why I'm going this way, but it'll eventually lead to the teleporter. So that only leaves Cyberflower and Carrot Shooter. So let's get started on endgame. To get Carrot Shooter, we have to get to Miriam. To get to Cyberflower, we have to beat Rumi. So, not too much more to go. I guess we can buy just attack up upgrades. That'll make my life easier. Oh wait, we can't. We have to defeat the bosses. Yes, I guess we'll just buy these. Cool. Let's get more upgrades so we have them all. Back to the beginning. Oh my god, so slow on this difficulty. What? Okay. Crud! I hate that. Floating glitch messes it up so much. Oh my god. That was just an input error on my part. No! Oh, this is fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, I do that every time too. Just bounce into, keep sliding into the boss. I did it again too for that attack. My god. I do not have stamina. No, I do have stamina plus. I do not have. What is it called? Fire orb. Gosh, dang it. That's why I needed fire orb. Forgot about this. Fire orb was supposed to kill there, but I'm like, wait, I don't actually have it. RIP. Can't rely on something you don't have. I need to stop attacking here. I do have stamina plus on though. I feel like I use more SP for some reason. It's probably the regen ups too. I don't have very many of them. Gosh, that sucked. Again, a fight I should have won, like hands down. But I slid into mirror twice by accident. Complete accident. Alright, we need to stop doing that. What? I just took collision damage twice. Ow. That hurts. That really does. And wow. Oh god, what have I done? Well, this is bad. This went downhill very fast. Oh, wrong attack. What? I let go of down. I did a wall jump off the wall because I was too close to the wall. Like an idiot. If it wasn't pretty clear, that first amulet was not intentional either. That's okay, I guess it's fair to say I used it instead of kept it and never used it. But still. the damage potential there. Man! I slip up for like 3 seconds, and everything just falls to pieces. Oh, I didn't have enough SP for that. That was scary. Finally doing something right, you know? See, last time I wasn't holding, pressing down, so I ended up doing a wall jump. The game thinks you're doing a wall jump, but if you hold down, the game prohibits jumps, so that's how you tell the game not to do a jump. I just have to wait for a second and not be dumb. Last time with the slide. See, how hard is that? All I had to do was not make contact with Miru. Same with this. Like, that literally should have been a trivial thing. Goodness. This isn't rocket science here. I died twice for being dumb. Oh, okay. I always mess that up. At least it doesn't punish you for getting hit. This is bad. I had to waste 2 amulets there for no reason. Already? Wow. That was fast. A little too fast. There's only one set of hearts on this difficulty, thank God. Oh, why did that reach so far? That is so unfortunate. Oh, this is not unfortunate though, this is good. I had to get that egg off if I want to make it. No! Alright, we're not gonna risk it. That is so unlucky. Yeah, that's why I wanted to do that, because that might happen. We have a donut just to redeem ourselves there. That is so unlucky. Oh wait. RIP! Tried to legit dodge this. Oh look, I can do it. Usually I just use a carrot for that attack. Easier to dodge, less pain, you know? That sort of deal. Whoops. Wrong attack. Alright. So, beat Miriam, or we're gonna get the carrot shooter, beat Miriam, beat Rumi, get Cyberflower, And then we got the memory address of every key item in the game. So, just 2 more to go! Yay! Not too bad. And then I guess later tonight maybe, I'm gonna start working on some other memory values. So this was item related. A few of the other values I want to get are related to where do I go? I have to go to the volcano. Whoops. Alright. I want to get things related to bosses. So, the boss you are fighting, how much health it has, etc. Perhaps the enemies on screen as well. I might have some cool little overlays for that kind of stuff later. Like, wouldn't it be cool if you could see, like, the health bars of enemies on screen? Like, they're just kind of chilling there. I think that would be kind of cool. Just for a fun little add-on, so to speak. There's also some other little things I want to try doing. Relate to item locations and such, we'll see. There's a lot we can do. And I also want to spend some time making a, like... Oh wait, why are we going... What? Hello? This is not the right way. Did I save? I don't think I saved. We're just gonna go back. What I meant to do was... go to the volcano. I guess we'll grab this while we're here. I don't know, I've just been collecting random rainbow eggs throughout the run. Instead wanted to go to the cave. Said the cave. No! You even heard the amulet go off. I was just a little too late. Amulet takes time to trigger. To activate, I should say. Because I knew I screwed up the moment that greenie started firing. I'm like, oops, I forgot there's a greenie here. Need to dodge. But nope, it was already too late. God. Wait, I don't have the survival badge. Oh, I am so screwed. I am so screwed. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We're gonna fix this right now. Like, man, this place sucks without survival. We are not doing this without survival. Period. It's just terrible. Like, you don't want to do it. You don't want to go through that pain. Trust me. Ooh. Have to go all the way around. I don't know why I did that. I knew I was clear. I've done that before, so I know that doing that is pretty free. Just a little scared. If I was gonna do that, I might as well have grabbed Fire Ore because I literally had to take the entire trip back. It's whatever though. Let's get the teleporter at least, so we don't have to walk all the way back here. I keep telling myself to get the dang thing, and then I forget about it. Alright, now we can do this right. And we might as well grab this too. This is health wager. That comes in useful for the mana build later. Not that we need it, because we're gonna finish the game before it's even relevant, but still, grabbed it anyways. Where did I go? Alright, good. I felt like I didn't choose the correct location for some reason. Oh, ow. Whoops. But yeah, as long as I have this thing, I'm good. I can take millions of damage and not die. It's so easy to kill things on this difficulty, so I'm basically never gonna die in here. Oh my goodness, that was too close. Oh no no no, Nick! Leave! Ah, goodness. I misjudged that terribly. Dang it. Yeah, that room's the worst. The graveyard room. This room just plain sucks. And I always mess up a jump here. Every time. Okay, this room should be fine now. What in the world? Wait for it. There we go. All I want are buffs, and I guess restock on consumables while we're here. So we can just go straight to through the boss rushes and Rumi pretty easily. But we're about to pick up the carrot shooter, one of the last two items we are missing memory addresses for. Oh, we could buy a cocoa bomb here. Let's just take care of this now. So 0, 1. There's cocoa bombs. I'm gonna expect the golden carrot to be 48 because this all looks consecutive to me. Gold carrot. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that would be the gold carrot slot because they are all values that are right next to each other. So that is a pretty darn good assumption to make, I'd say. Alright, anyway. Let's get the carrot shooter. We'll finish up the last two sections of the game that we need. 0, 1. Wrong section. Alright. Oh no, we didn't get the armored badge. Oh, that's sad. The armored badge really helps for this fight. Wait, is that right? No, that's not right. We don't want armor. Never mind, we're good. It's the opposite. We don't want armored on Miriam. Holy cow. I forgot all about that. It's so slow! The attacks are so slow. Then we got crazy attacks after this. Yes. Wait. Oh, we didn't get the charge ring. Nice. Nice-oo. We're good. We already used our donut. I don't know if I would call this path faster, but we'll use it. Get up there. I mean, it's kind of faster in the sense that there's less horizontal movement you have to do. You have to travel like 3 screens to get back here, but it's also a lot more hectic. Gosh darn it, Saya. Why? Reported. No, I mistimed this thing. I tried to execute both a bunny amulet into a super carrot or into a ribbon attack into a super carrot to try to be like super efficient. Ah, why? We don't want the kitty healing, so we're just gonna finish her off right there. Time for the Pandora cheese strats. No! Didn't work! Oh my goodness. Now we have to actually do this legit? Oh man. Oh my. She almost ran into me. Oh, that was a nice bunny strike. I'm not dealing with that slowness. Stuff is dumb. Oh my. Hello, camera? Not supposed to be zoomed in yet. Holy damage. She has that barrier for so long on hard difficulty. Gosh. Dang it. This numbness. Hate it. She has curse, that's evil. Or she applies curse. That is pretty evil. What? Nixie, don't do this to me. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're just gonna wait. Ribbon getting me killed here, literally. Oh. Oh. Why? So I ran out of SP when I tried to do that, which is why I freaked out, because I wouldn't have enough for the finishing move. Oh, why is she starting with this attack? What in the world? What kind of starting attack is this? Oh my goodness, of course I make an input error here. I don't think she's low enough. Dang it, she's not low enough, but this is good though. This is a long lasting attack, so this gives me time to deal damage, which is what I need right now. Need to deal enough damage so her next attack is guaranteed to be blue. She might actually just die. Yeah, she's gonna die in the next attack here. So the next attack is guaranteed blue. Alright. Nice. What? No! I used my amulet. For no reason. Hearts. I'm at the mercy of Sienna now. I was afraid she was gonna walk into me. Oh, wow. So fast. Rip mana. Goodness. I should be a master at this attack by now. Should be a god. Rip. I have to respect Rita's attacks here. Like, Rita's simple, but you have to respect her attacks. Oh, this is perfect. Perfect. This is her easy attack pattern, so it's better to get this one. Oh no, I'm numb. That was so freaking scary. If the numbness kicked in right when that super carry needed to go off, I would have died. Because I wouldn't have made it in time with the invulnerability. That was clutch as heck and super scary. I hate this attack because it's visually deceiving. My favorite. Oh, what the? Goodness. I swear, if I get a blue coterie special, it's over. I'm not gonna get one though. The game would not do that to me. Recharge my health. Hello? Attack? What? Alright. Hate this. No, pure love is such a pain here. Oh god, mana down, that sucks. What? Oh god. Wrong move. Thought she was doing a different attack. My bad. We move on. Thanks. The cheating bunny. Of course. Oh. I hate that. That's so dumb. Ruben's bullet disappeared. Don't want another unstable debuff. Oh, I messed up. Oh! So this is for Rumi. And after that we go for Cyberflower and then we're all done. With our item memory hunt. And then we can focus more on some game specific events. Huh? Oh my goodness. Pressing the wrong buttons. Man, I wish things could deal no damage on harder difficulties like this. It's like no damage at all. It's crazy. Alright, so that unlocks System Interior 2, which gets us the Cyber Flower. Once we get that, we're done. We have obtained every key item in the game. Didn't even have to use any healing items for that fight, because nothing did damage. Oh wait. Dang it. I forgot about the part where you need level 3 wall jump. Or level 2 wall jump, excuse me. I don't know why I came back here. Oh yeah. Oh wait. 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 What is this? Why do I have no money? Oh, please tell me this is after I beat Rumi. Rumi. No! Did I just reload a dang... Are you kidding me? What? Oh my goodness, no! Why does that happen? It forgets to autosave after a story event occurs. That's gotta be the dumbest thing ever. That pisses me off. That happens every single time. I swear. I have to do this whole fight again. My goodness. Wait, I was charging super carrot? Oh my. I don't even realize what I'm doing sometimes. RNG being stupid. I can't even do this! But it doesn't matter, because these do no damage to me. Unfortunately, I don't get punished for messing this up. I don't get punished hard enough, I should say. No! Okay, I need to change it right now. I wanted to try it because I thought maybe it would work, but nope. Oh, I hate this one. performance this time was a lot lazier. So, I ended up using a healing item. I shouldn't need another one, unless I severely screw up. Oh, that one got me good. Alright, I need to save. Actually save. Alright, saved it. Alright, now let's go to here, get wall jump, upgrade 2. So one of these values should change to 2 when I bought that one. That's wall jump. Alright. Was that so hard? Dang it, ribbon. Found out to fix that you have to use an amulet. It still sucks. Alright. Let's see how fast we can get through this place. Be nice and easy. Oh, come on, I did it again. What? I'm like afraid to jump over this or something. Actually, I'm holding back because I'm not timing this laser right. Whatever. Always do this. Come on. Oh, I almost killed myself there. Dang. Oh, I almost made it. I know I can get that if I'm fast enough. What? Hello? Need one more. Come on, Ribbon. Thank you. Alright! Finally, we can get to that dang cyber flower. It's finally time. Oh, what a jerk. Didn't stun lock you at the right time. Oh my goodness. It's finally time. The last item. You need to get memory value for. Got it. There it is, folks. A completed list of all the memory addresses of all key items in the game. The significance of this? Well, that is to be determined later. But that is the first step. Me getting all the data I need. This is gonna be it for the stream for now. I believe Trimead is probably gonna be playing Rabi-Ribi in a little while, so I'm gonna be tuning into his stream. For those of you that tuned in, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you all another time. Bye bye.